Using a kitchen towel, pat your fish dry. Cut up your salmon into bite-sized pieces. I'm using skinless salmon here. We are then going to prepare our dry rub. I have salt and pepper here, 1.5 teaspoons of lemon pepper, paprika, and brown sugar. And then we're just going to give the dry rub a good mix. So I've just transferred the salmon to a bowl and I'm going to top it up with some melted butter and some garlic. Give it a good mix. And then we're just going to top it with the seasoning that we just prepared. Next, coat the fish with the prepared seasoning. So next you want to line your air fryer basket with a paper liner for easier cleanup later. And I'm just going to brush it with a tiny amount of oil. But this is not really necessary. I'm just doing it as a precaution to prevent sticking. And then you want to place the salmon pieces inside your air fryer basket in a single layer. So do not stack them on top of each other. If necessary, cook them in batches. You don't want to fill your air fryer basket too much. And we're going to air fry this salmon bites at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's approximately 200 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes. And then mid cooking, you want to shake your air fryer basket or just carefully turn them. I can't do that with this particular brand of Ninja Foodi, so I'm just carefully going to use a tongue to flip as much as possible. We're just going to make the garlic cream sauce while the salmon is air frying. And we're just going to add some olive oil in a heated pan. Next, add in the butter and allow it to melt. You then want to add the sliced shallots. And then you just want to allow the sliced onion or shallot to sweat slightly. So we are not letting it brown here, just a few seconds, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And then you're going to add the minced garlic. We're just going to chop up about a handful of parsley. You can also use your favorite herbs such as fresh thyme or a combination of thyme and parsley. These two work really well. Then we're just adding in the cream, chopped parsley, salt and pepper. Add in the Parmesan cheese and combine. Allow the garlic cream sauce to simmer for a few minutes. It will thicken as it cooks. Once the fish is cooked, you want to carefully transfer it to a plate so it doesn't disintegrate. And then make the second batch.